So I've got some velocity stacks off the airbox here. This one is just cleaned, and this one has been cleaned and restored. Now this one, let's see, squeeze it, it's nice, soft, supple rubber. This one, unrestored, it is tough, hard, and interestingly enough, it's also shorter and slightly smaller diameter. So I think what's happened here is over the years, this unrestored one here has lost its elasticity and it has shrunken with time. Now here in my pickle jar, I have, did I loosen that? There we go. Another one soaking. And all I gotta do is mix some wintergreen, and some people use xylitol, I think it is, but I just used isopropyl alcohol. I've got some 99% stuff here. But soak it for however long necessary. This is, I think this has been going for about 18 hours or so. Let's see how this one does. Still feels a little stiff up here compared to that one. Down here feels pretty good. Much better than that. So I'm going to pop it back in. Actually, I'm going to compare the size too. Hasn't quite gotten as big as the largest one. So that one's going back in for another soak. And just wanted to share that it's pretty simple to get some nice elasticity out of these things. That I can only assume will help create a better seal, given that this diameter here is now larger than that one, so it's creating a better seal on the airbox. I'm not sure if this is going to be an issue yet clamping down to the carb, but I'm assuming that since there's a clamp there, the slightly larger diameter here won't be an issue, but I'll let you know what I find out. Yeah.